In the early 20th century, amid the Industrial Revolution's zenith, humanity embarked on an ambitious endeavor, constructing the largest and most luxurious ship ever conceived, the RMS Titanic. This vessel wasn't merely a mode of transportation. It was a testament to human ingenuity, ambition, and the era's technological prowess. Today, we delve deep into the meticulous process of building this maritime marvel, exploring the engineering feats, challenges, and the legacy it left behind. -1. The genesis of a giant one, 30-500, the Vision asterisk, the White Star Line, aiming to surpass its competitors, envisioned a trio of Olympic-class liners, Olympic, Titanic, and Britannic. These ships were designed to epitomize luxury and safety. Partnership with Harland and Wolff. The construction was entrusted to Harland and Wolff, a renowned shipbuilding company in Belfast, Northern Ireland. The collaboration was based on mutual trust and a shared vision of excellence. Design philosophy, led by chief designer Alexander Carlisle and later Thomas Andrews, the design emphasized grandeur and safety. The ship was to feature advanced watertight compartments and state-of-the-art amenities. -2. Preparing the shipyard. 500-1000 expanding facilities. To accommodate the massive construction, Harland and Wolff expanded their shipyard, building 2 new slipways and the colossal Aral gantry. Steel framework towering 228 feet high, 270 feet wide, and 840 feet long. 1. Thompson Graving Dock, a new dry dock. The Thompson Graving Dock was constructed, measuring 850 feet in length and capable of holding 21 million gallons of water, making it the largest of its kind at the time. 2. -3. Keel laying and hull construction. 10-00-20. Keel laying asterisk. Titanic's keel was laid on March 31, 1909. The keel acted as the ship's backbone from which the rest of the structure would rise. Hull framework asterisk. The hull comprised over 200 steel plates, each weighing between 5 to 3 tons. These plates were held together by more than 3 million rivets, a combination of iron and steel, totaling over 200 tons. In weight. 3. Double bottom. A 5-foot 3-inch double bottom provided additional strength and safety, a design feature intended to prevent flooding in case of minor breaches. -4. Internal structures and decks. 20-00-30. Bulkheads and compartments. The ship was divided into 16 primary compartments by 15 bulkheads. These compartments could be sealed off with watertight doors, a feature that led to the belief that Titanic was practically unsinkable. Deck layout. Titanic boasted multiple decks, including the promenade deck and boat deck, each approximately 500 feet long. Decks were constructed using pine and teak, providing both durability and elegance. Interior design. The interiors were lavishly decorated, featuring ornate woodwork, plush carpets, and luxurious furnishings, reflecting the opulence of the Edwardian era. -5. Propulsion and engineering. 30-00-40 engine configuration. Titanic was powered by 2 4-cylinder XXX Banschen steam engines and a low-pressure Parsons steam turbine. Combined, these engines generated approximately 46,000 horsepower. 4. Boilers and funnels. The ship housed 29 boilers, each with multiple furnaces, and 4 large funnels. Only 3 were functional. The 4th was added for aesthetic symmetry and ventilation. Propellers asterisk. 3 propellers propelled the ship. 2 outer 3 bladed propellers driven by the reciprocating engines and a central 4-bladed propeller powered by the turbine. -6. Launching the Titanic. 40-00-45 launch day. On May 31, 1911, Titanic was launched from its slipway. The process involved greasing the slipway with 25 tons of soap and tallow to ensure a smooth descent. 4. Ceremony. The launch was attended by over 100 spectators, including dignitaries and shipyard workers. Notably, the ship was not christened with champagne, adhering to White Star Line's tradition. Post-launch, after the launch, Titanic was towed to the fitting-out basin, where the interior work and installation of machinery would continue. -7. Fitting out and sea trials 45, 00-55, 00 interior completion. Over the next 10 months, workers completed the ship's interiors, installing luxurious cabins, dining rooms, lounges, and other amenities. Safety equipment. Titanic was equipped with 20 lifeboats, sufficient for only about half of passengers and crew, a decision influenced by outdated maritime safety regulations. 5. Sea trials. On April 2, 1912, Titanic underwent sea trials to test its performance and safety features. The ship performed admirably, reaching speeds of up to 21 knots. -8. The maiden voyage 55, 00-60, 00 departure. On April 10, 1912, Titanic set sail from Southampton, England, embarking on its maiden voyage to New York City. Passengers. The ship carried over 200 passengers and crew, including some of the wealthiest individuals of the time, as well as immigrants seeking a new life in America. Final preparations. As Titanic sailed, final adjustments and preparations continued, ensuring the ship was ready for the transatlantic journey. -9. Legacy and impact 60, 00-65, 00 tragic end. On April 15, 1912, after striking an iceberg, Titanic sank, resulting in the loss of over 1,500 lives. The disaster shocked the world and led to significant changes in maritime safety regulations. Shipbuilding evolution. The construction of Titanic represented a pinnacle in early 20th century shipbuilding, showcasing the capabilities and limitations of the era's technology. Cultural significance. Titanic's story has captivated generations, symbolizing human ambition, tragedy, and the relentless pursuit of progress. Outro 65, 00